Do you need $8,000 to buy a house? Because if you do, we may have the program for you. So there's a grant program available for first-time buyers, and it's dependent upon where you live, not where you're buying. So if you're interested in information, the first $5,000 of the grant comes from Fannie Mae, and then there's an additional $3,000 from the lender, or 1% of the loan. And what I mean by that, if your loan amount is $200,000, you automatically get the $5,000 grant, but you get $2,000 for the additional grant. So the $8,000 is if you have a loan amount of $300,000 or more. That way you would get the $5,000 and 1% of the loan amount. The max we can give on the loan amount is $3,000. So total would be $8,000. You can also get a seller credit towards closing cost. Your contribution only has to be $1,000. So you can buy a home as a first-time home buyer with $1,000. It's a lower rate for the first-time buyer and a lower PMI cost, and you can get up to 3% for the seller credit. The down payment is 5%. In addition, we will credit you back up to $500 for your appraisal. So it's an amazing program. You do need to take first-time home buyer education online. We send you a link, it's free, so that's super easy. And then we would do your application, make sure you qualify in the target area that we're looking for on your address where you live. And again, once you get into contract, the grant program is applied at closing. Your contribution will be $1,000. If you have any questions on how you can utilize this grant, or if you are eligible, please feel free to reach out to me. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.